Hi, I'm Carol Cannon, and welcome to my Chi Insight for the month of July. And today I'm going to be talking a little bit about nature and the outside, the exterior environments, and how it can be really helpful to developing your own Chi. Strengthening your Chi, improving your Chi. This is what Feng Shui is all about, trying to make us happy, healthy, strong, and survive in this world with peace inside of us. And today I happened to get up very early, which I don't usually do, but I did this because I was going to be playing the Himalayan Singing Bowls at an event that was being taped for the local TV station in the Lehigh Valley, Channel 69. However, it started with um, a yoga class, and we decided to have the yoga class outside over at a beautiful Moravian College campus. And so just being outside can really improve your chi. We had a lovely teacher, Terry Gottsguff from Living Room Yoga, and we were in a beautiful circle doing yoga together outside, looking up at the sky, which, I don't lay on my back outside anymore as often as I used to when I was much younger. So I highly, I highly recommend that you get outside, and it's just wonderful to be out there. And there's so many things that we can do at this time of year that no matter where you are, just getting outside and feeling Mother Nature and the beautiful experience of seeing what's going on in nature and reconnecting with that. And that said, it's just as important for you to create some sort of oasis for yourself in your home. And whether you have a home with a lot of land that you can do, um, natural landscaping, you can put, maybe you have a swimming pool for the summer in the Northeast or the northern parts of the country. But you can also do things on your patio or balcony, courtyard if you don't have a lot of land, but just getting out there and putting your fingers into the earth, feeling that earth, planting something. Many of you I know, I hear from people that are already planting things in their gardens, and things are starting to bloom already. But even a plant, just a flower, or something pretty to look at, this will help you get in touch with that nature element, and it's the earth element that we love in feng shui, that keeps us grounded and rooted and keeps us in balance. So I highly recommend that you think of something to do outside. Get out there, plant a tree, volunteer to help people that need gardening help in their own home. Go for a hike. All of this will calm your chi. And if there's any chaos in your life, as I often say, taking us from chaos to calm, nature's really wonderful for that. So hit the beach, hit the trails, and bring yourself into balance so that you can enjoy your life and improve your chi. That's it for today's Chi Insight, and I invite you to stay tuned monthly. I also invite you to sign up at my website, which is www.carolcannongroup.com, and you'll receive my newsletter, which comes out monthly. And in that newsletter, I summarize the video and the blog for the month. So, hope you're having a great summer, and give Mother Nature a hug. Take care.